What's going on, Michael Jordan? Is that your actual name, or is that just because you like Michael Jordan? Well, that's just random email. Why? You just decided to be Michael Jordan? This honestly looks like a good flag right here, but I don't trade pre-market. I guess I just ran out of thought. Was it my mind on time? Fair enough. I'm assuming you trade. Do you trade prop firms or no? Oh, for fuck's sake. Hold on. I trade prop firms. Use PVSRA as my trading system. That's like how you trade, or that's the name of the prop firm. PVSRA.
Hello. Ugh. comes the money.
We have a decent bear flag, kind of, not really. Yeah, kind of. I was gonna say we're already kind of way above the EMA, but on the 2 minute, we're right up to it. Oh my lord! It's like clockwork. I started my stream at like 9:22, 9:25. She comes down. It's just it's just great. Uh, what is PVSR? PVSRA. So you say that. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that stands for. PVS. Is the SR for support and resistance? That's my guess. I don't know what the PV is or the A. Kind of want to try out. I was looking. It's hard to explain. Okay, it's fine then. I was looking at something yesterday. It's called like the SCE. It's like a single candle entry, and you wait for like one candle to like engulf on like both sides, and then you wait for it to retrace back like 50%, and then enter. It was kind of interesting. I kind of want to try it today. I bought a Take Profit Trader account just to like play with it and see if I want to, or like just test it out.
Is it something you would just try like after you trade or
Uh,
during the day?
I don't know either. Just like it almost just happened perfectly at 9:30 to 9:31. Like since that nine
Or
thirty
you're just gonna
candle.
take it on like trading views, so you only
Yeah,
have one account?
yeah. I only have my Take Profit Trader on here. But like, see how that candle was like bigger on both sides, or like wicked on both sides. You'd do like 50%, which would be here, and then you'd
Hmm.
want this candle to come in and you'd set like a limit here. So he said sometimes he does like 30%. He'll do like a contract at 30% and a contract at 50%. So he probably would have got tuts in for one, and then he says like you can target wherever. He's like if you do like 50%, he's like it's a decent target. You can just do risk to reward like 1 to 1 just by targeting like top and bottom of the candle. So it's like that would be your bottom, that would be your top, and obviously that's going to be a 1 to 1 because you're directly in the middle of it, and that would. I mean, it came within like a point right there. It didn't hit it, but it would have been like a no drawdown. So I thought it was interesting. We got Jolt's Jobs at 10 a.m. along with like CB Consumer Confidence. So I'd be out of the market at 10. think we got hella news this week. Tomorrow we got uh like red folder news at 8:15, red folder news at 8:30, and red folder news at 10. Thursday we have PMI, which is red folder. And then Friday we have like NFP. Actually, no, this isn't NFP. This is NFE. I didn't know that was a thing, but same thing, red folder. So,
So, some,
a lot of it's pre-market, but there's a couple that are at 10. Waiting for Elias to come in and talk shit. He doesn't talk shit. He just, I don't know. It just makes me believe people aren't profitable if someone comes in and wants to be like, dude, you got to do this strategy. It's like, dude, if you do anything about trading, you'd realize how dumb that sounded. It's like, why would I be doing something that worked? It's like, all right, I just got 14K in payouts this month. And then he's like, no, but you lost 3 trades, so you gotta go to the 15-second and look for flags there. It's like, why? Why would I change? So that's like, it just makes me feel like you don't know what you're doing. Even though, I mean, he claims that he's green every single day, so who knows? Oops. Time's a movie tonight. Is it an early one or a late one?
not gonna lie, I got no idea.
Is this supposed to be good, or is this just supposed to be like another random war movie?
Just like, it looked pretty good, but I think it's just a war movie.
I think that's it. God, Bitcoin loves this like 95 level. So much fucking, I feel like, chop around here. Ugh, fuck me. I hate when that happens. Did you end up trading any of your emails yesterday or no? Because you didn't take a trade at all.
I'm just trying to trade him with my accounts.
Yeah.
haven't been fucking taking any trades, so.
Did you say you could get a payout on My Fun Futures or no?
If
Not
I
yet.
make an R. I'm like,
It looks like a nice bull flag on the ES. It's breaking out of right now. So we'll see. Yeah. Yeah. Just rip up. I took the long. What did you say you trade like ES? It's so hard to remember what people like strategies are. And Q2 now. Oh, you took the long in ES and NQ. You're trading both at the same time. Just NQ before I was trading Bitcoin. Oh. I feel like if you say you trade crypto, even if you were profitable and you can like trade it, you can trade it the same as anything else. People just think you're like an extra degenerate. It's like, oh, you trade crypto. But then again, most people, when you tell them they trade, they don't understand what that means, anyways. So, like me and Johnny had some guy at the gym who's like heard us talking about trading, and then he said that he also trades, and then like you start talking to him, and then you're like, oh, this guy has no idea what the fuck he's talking about. True, but they were right. It's funny. So that counts a flag.
I would say so.
Yeah. And we trapped underneath that like 941 candle. you get in there?
And not yet.
I wanted to see it pushed because it pushed up really strong to it. I wanted to see a little bit further of a pullback when it got up to it. And didn't really.
Pretty much what I was waiting for. Pushed up a little too fast to it.
Yeah.
Didn't want to get trapped.
We'll see if it goes or not. It's also early too. I mean, that was 9:44, which is a little early, but seems like she's struggling to go. But we'll see. I got high hopes for today. That was at least a semi setup right there, or a setup. Well, there's your TP, depending on. Yeah, that definitely would have hit you now.
Yeah, I should have just got in.
Yeah, easier said than done. Hindsight's easy. Would have been nice though. Let's go, boys. I almost got the 500 back. I lost gambling yesterday. When you say gambling, do you mean like gambling, like at the casino, or gambling like trading? Gambling in the markets? Why were you gambling in the markets? And how did you lose so much that even a full trade didn't make it back? Good morning, Ilias. I know. You traded on the 15-second. You made $1 million, and I'm an idiot. Yeah. They were ripping. Bought the wrong fucking account. Rhythmic instead of Tranovate. Why you said that you took a long and you're done for the day? I don't understand. So you want to trade, but you're sad because you can't trade anymore? Is that what it is?
Just.
Can you not trade on? I don't know.
Elias, you're weird.
Brother, here we go. This guy is literally a fucking marketer for the 15-second. I swear. The 15-second is paying him to promote it.
Just weird.
Price action seems good today, thank God. Even I would have to agree. I mean, I feel like this is the first day in forever that like we're not instantly inside the 15-minute range. Like we're already out of the 15-minute range, and we would actually need a decent pullback just to get back into it. But I feel like lately it's just we've made a high, we've made a low within like the first like 10 minutes of the market, and then we just sit inside the 15-minute range for fucking a while. Ugh, man, it is fucking hindsight. But the more you look at the trade, you're like, wow, that was everything I needed right there.
Yep.
Like a little bit of a top, or there's a flag, your two touch points comes down, like hits the EMA, traps below that 941 candle. Ugh. Like I legit took the long where you draw your long flag. Yeah, I mean this is what I'm saying. What's the fucking difference if you trade on the like? It's so fun. There's so many different strategies, but people forget at the end of the day you're just buying and selling basically at the same spot as everybody else. There's just like a different reason for it. Jesus, that was a big wick. You just got more cojones than I do because I just watched it and then didn't take it.
Big cojones.
It always feels weird saying big wick. Alrighty, let's relax over there. Yes. This is me. Oh God. This has always happened. You like switch from the 1 minute to the 2 minute, and then you switch back, and then the fucking candles just get all stupid. Alright, trades before news. Oh yeah, 9:54 right now. We're probably gonna flag right here, and then we'll break out right at 10 o'clock news. That's normally how it goes. It's literally gonna. I'm telling you, Johnny. This is. It's gonna push up here. We're gonna pull back. We're gonna trap below, and then we're gonna rip higher. That's my guess. you go. There's your. Is that your trap?
Jesus.
I mean, that's your 10 a.m. news, and then we're gonna flip, and then we're gonna push higher. Oh, let's see. Right through this flag. Give me that. Did you want to try there?
No, not up that push up.
That's the thing. I just wanted it to fucking chill. It's coming up nice too. I was hoping we bounced there or close there at the very bottom of the line, or at the line, and then have like the candle we're having now, right below our line, and then have it push back up. But depending on where you got filled, that possibly could have got you if you got a good fill. And that one probably would have, depending on. Did it not match your rules? It did. It's just a lot of times when it has such a strong push up, like the whole candle here, it'll want to come down first. So a lot of times I like to wait out the drawdown and just have it come down, like have it like touch around here and then pull back and then push up again and I'll get in. But it just didn't. So. I mean, technically, it does follow my criteria, but just like I didn't like the way the candle was printing. Gotcha, it goes for the 50% of the candle sometimes. Yeah, or something, yeah. I don't even know if it's that exact, but it's just a lot of times when you have like a strong push up, it like literally like just breaks through the trend line and then or just like breaks through your line that you drew and then like will reverse, pull back and then push up. So you just like get burned on things enough times where like you kind of like adjust your strategy around it. Well, damn. Look at her goes, right? Technically, could be fucking. I mean, definitely had the ability to be a 2R day, but it didn't take either.
Ugh, just analysis paralysis. It's just been so long where I feel like everything's just gonna come back and fuck.
Not as mad at that one, but
The
the
yips.
first one, I like the first one more. 'Cause the first one like had its push up and then like closed and then pushed down a little bit and stuff, and that should have been enough for me. That one was a little too fucking aggressive, but oh, good lord, good lord. I'm happy we're seeing them though. Like these are what we're looking for. It's just been so
Yeah.
long since we've seen any of them,
Yeah,
but
that's
they still exist. They didn't patch it.
Patch
They didn't patch our strat, the market makers. My levels always seem accurate. Do I adjust them? What do you mean my levels? Like like these? My yellow lines? Is that what you're talking about? It's actually just an indicator. You can get it. I don't even change it. It's I watched some guy Pat who like trades with flags. I watched him. He used the pivot points, and it's just like a calculation off the previous day, and it'll give you like that's just your pivot level, and then there's like R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, or whatever in both directions. I only have it going for 2 days back, but it's like based off. Oh, maybe more. 3 days back. It's just like based off of previous day ranges and shit. It's like a calculate. Like it doesn't. It's not like a lagging indicator. It's like printed like as soon as the day starts. So I like them. They do. Like if you were to like target them, like realistically, I don't go for targets. I just go for like 20 points. But at some point, it wouldn't be a bad idea. Like because realistically, it's like the stuff I do now, I don't think I'm gonna do forever. It's just like I think the easiest way to get profitable is have like a strict system or whatever, and then like as you get better and watch charts for longer, you can kind of start making like these people who have like the fucking audacity to try to catch the bottom and top of the move, and they're fucking been trading for a year. It just seems unlikely. So maybe at some point I'll try to catch bigger ranges, and then I'll use like the pivot points more, but. Yeah, like they're good for like targets and shit. I mean, that bounced right off of it. I mean, when this came up, it bounced right off of it the first time. Like, they do work pretty well. I mean, even here, here, here. I mean, obviously it didn't work here or here, but still, like, here, here. Like, they do come right down to it and fucking bounce off of it sometimes. I tried catching tops and bottoms with shitty ICT concepts. I don't think ICT concepts don't work, but I see a lot of people catch the bottoms, and I'm like, damn, that's impressive. They caught the bottoms, but then they're trying to catch the top. Like they're trying to ride it all the way up to the top. Like if you can catch the bottom, go for it. But then to think you're gonna ride it all the way up to the top is crazy. Like I'll see people like catch Like they'll be like here, and they'll catch it here, and then they're trying to ride it down to like friggin' these lows that like they'll catch the top like here, and they'll call it short, but they'll be trying to ride it down to like these lows. So it's like, dude, they made like friggin' 10R on the trade or whatever it would be, but they want the whole move. It's crazy. You know how this goes, Johnny. Now we had 2 setups.
Yeah, we're not seeing shit.
It's either we're not gonna see shit or we're gonna see it. We're gonna take it. Then we're just gonna get burnt. I would always go up some points and then the trade would reverse and it get cooked. Like, would you get up to at least a 1-to-1? Would you think? Or no? Like you're just saying a little bit. I think so many of them have bad, like they don't actually realize what they want in their RR and win rate. Like they're trying to have like 60% win rates with like a 1-to-2. It makes no sense. It's like you'd be like fucking the greatest trader ever. These fucking candles. Did you figure out if you can come to softball, or are you going to your Nance?
I don't know. I can let you know today.
Okay, because I gotta make the lineup.
Even if you make the lineup, like just bet less.
Okay. I would always go up. Oh, that's the same thing. I've not seen one of the candles that I was watching for, or that I was like trying the new thing or whatever. I haven't seen one since the open candle, which makes sense because it's just gonna go up and down. The 929 candle was so tiny, but since market open, I've not seen a single time. Yeah, it would happen a lot making 1R or more in bang reverse. I was just too stubborn to take the quick profits. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, I think if ICT guys change, like, they could keep their strat, but just go, like, 1-to-1, I think a lot of them would be profitable. And a lot of them probably are profitable if they're going for their ICT strategy, but then they constantly change and adjust things in this because they lose more than they think they should. But if you're going for, like, a 1-to-2 or 1-to-3, your win rate should be low.